This is Nelson here, founder of Functional Training Institute. Today I'm going to share about how to address your front thigh pain due to tight iliacus, which is a muscle that needs to be released. And if you ever encounter after sitting in the office for too long, or at home at the sofa, or driving, and suddenly when you want to stand up, you feel your hip is very difficult to straighten up and you're limping away and you have this front thigh pain, chances are your iliacus is very tight. So let's take a quick look at where is the iliacus muscle. So the iliacus muscle is actually residing inside the iliac crest. So from here, you will actually come down and attach to the psoas major, which eventually connect to the inner thigh bone, which is the lesser trochanter. So the iliacus is from here, attached to the psoas major, and all the way connect to your inner thigh bone. So what we're going to do, we're going to use a neck massager here, or you can use an umbrella or a wooden stick or even a golf club. We're going to use one of the handle of the neck massager to go deep into the iliacus muscle here, the trigger point, along this few spot. Along this few spot to release the iliacus, which can be quite painful, but after that, you'll free up your hip extension movement, which allow you to sit and stand up without the front thigh pain. So very quickly, I'm going to show you how. You can lie down on the bed or lie down on the floor by bending your knee. So you're going to use one handle and drive diagonally in this angle into the iliacus like this. Just very relaxed, just pressing your hand inside. You'll feel the dull, achy pain. Then you just move your hips sideways and breathe. That will go deep into the iliacus for 1 minute. And after 1 minute, you can find another spot. Now, to help you to find the exact location, you can take a quick look where's the iliacus. So this is the ASIS, you can feel the hip bone. So it's hiding underneath the iliac, which is somewhere along here. Okay, so if you see here, you can see I'm pushing in, driving inside. Okay, and I'm opening sideways, deep into the iliacus. Okay. So this will help you to address sitting down, standing up, able to open your hips, especially if you're a dancer, you need to learn to do a split. This is good to be released as well, beside your psoas muscle. So try that out and let me know how you feel after you release the iliacus. Thank you for watching this video.